Hi, this is the Realme 11 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application, then tap to wallpapers and style, click to allow and tap to wallpaper section. Here you'll see all of the available wallpapers which you could use photo from your device gallery, previously downloaded from the internet or taken on your device camera, or just the regular default wallpapers. Just select the wallpaper, tap to apply, select the lock screen, and that's it. So now let's just check, and we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap on the left down corner to wallpapers icon, and by the same way select one from the available wallpapers, tap to apply, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.